Here are the steps to fix the lost internet connection in VMware, which you can also apply to VirtualBox. Step 1. Check the network adapter setting and ensure the checkboxes are in device status and NAT are bridged, then start your virtual machine. If you still do not have an internet connection, continue to step 2. Step 2. Disable and enable the network adapter inside the virtual machine. Or you can go to command prompt and type a config release, then a config renew. If you still do not have an internet connection, continue to step 3. Step 3. Type device manager in the search box and go to network adapters. Right-click the gigabit network connection, uninstall device, then click the scan for hardware changes button at the top. The system's going to install the network adapter software again, and you should have internet now. Thank you.